This is an unboxing of a double pane acrylic window. This is basically shipped from China. It was ordered, I don't know, a little bit over a month ago via Amazon. You can see here that in theory, I ordered an 1100 by 450 millimeter window. I also ordered a 1000 by 550 millimeter window. I'm assuming that this just has the 1100 by the 450 in it. The other one has not arrived yet, but I'm assuming that it will. You can see that it just says to fragile, handle with care, don't stack or drop. And then on this side you can see that it was made in China, and it's got various things like that. It came from Vogion in Ontario, California, which is a pretty common place for transfers to happen. And so I have no idea what all these numbers mean. Obviously it's dimensions, but I don't know exactly what. So we'll go ahead and open her up and see what we end up with. And you can see that the box is, you know, it's like it's been repackaged. I don't know what's going on with it, but we'll get everything opened up and figured out. Amazon says that both windows have been delivered, but only one of them has. And this one is, you know, it's obviously, it's well taped. I don't know if that means that it's going to be perfect, but it's definitely well taped. We have a thin piece of wood here. Do not step on. Oh. So it appears to be a box inside a box. And it does appear to just be one box. More wood on the other side. With more instructions to not step on anything. On the other side as well. I sense that we're getting close to actually getting into the important stuff, though. Maybe. I guess you could make the case that it is well packaged. Okay. Now we're to the box that actually has a double glazed push-out window. Okay. And clearly there's only one window in there. So I don't know where the other window is hiding at. This weighs around 40 pounds. And that's all that's in there. There is nothing else. This window is supposed to have a built-in screen as well as light shade. And so I'm guessing that's, yeah, okay. So it's white on the inside. And it comes with a set of screws here. I'm guessing that's what screws into the thing. So this is the pull down shade and pull up blind. So if we pull down on this, okay, so that's the solid part. So that's the light protection. And if we pull it from the bottom, there's the screen. And so if this was actually, so you can do that, and you have just a screen. You can do that. You have just blind. And then if you do that, you can actually get to the window itself. Now this is just a separate piece that gets put on, and you can see that they just, okay. So this is the piece that has all of the blinds and the screen built into it. And then this is the window itself. And so this is obviously the inside. And then if we look at the outside, they've got a protective coating on this. But that is essentially what we've got. And we have a rubber gasket that goes all the way around it. So in theory, they might tell you to not even use any caulk or anything like that. I'll have to do a little bit of investigation on what I want to do with that. But you can see though that essentially we have all of these little pieces like this. And most likely, well, I don't know exactly how all this goes together. Probably, okay, like that right there. So you can see we've got holes in this. Yeah, and so the blind attachment is what goes in to these bolts. But with these screws, we can, this piece goes on the inside, this piece goes on the outside of the van, and then these screws go through this into these holes. And that's basically how you put it together. So in theory, it should go together super quick. Now, the inside of this does not have a protective screen on it, so this is what it actually looks like. And this is the bottom, because I can see that we got those. And then these are gas struts that you can use to actually open the thing. I can try to go ahead and show how that works as well. And so this is basically how it sits in the van. We can open that and open that, and then it pushes out like so. And then this right here will lock it into place. But I don't want to mess with it too much though until it's a little bit more secure. But that's the basic way that it operates. And actually this does have a screen on it that will come off. And so it does have a protective layer on there. So you can see right here where they've cut around it for the edges. But this is the unboxing. This one was produced on September 25th of this year. So it's pretty new. And we will get this installed and we'll make another video for that. So if you're interested in seeing how all that goes, be sure to subscribe to the channel, and then you can see how everything goes in. Thank you much. So a couple things that I will also mention. We found this piece of plastic that was just hanging out in the box. It's not obvious where it's from. I would assume it's from one of these sections, but I don't really know. We haven't yet figured out where that's from. The other thing that I will note is that there are no instructions that came with it. So we'll have to figure out exactly how to get everything installed on our own. I'm not too worried about it, but we will have to do that. And the other thing that we discovered is that it's kind of a neat touch. It's got 4 mechanisms here that lock the thing open or closed. And if you look at the mechanism, it's got a little fork in it. So if you close it like that, it closes the window tight. But you can actually set it up so that you open it just a little bit, and if you put the mechanism in the fork there, it actually leaves a little bit of a gap, and so you can actually have some airflow, but yet still have the thing locked, so that if you look here, you can see that there's a bit of a gap in there, and so you can get airflow and not have to worry about anyone just grabbing the window and pulling it open and getting in. So you've got that as an option also. But we'll do a little bit of research on the proper way to get these installed. You can see that we've got, this is coming off a little bit here, but it looks like that is something that I can get back on. Yeah, it just needs to be just kind of brought over the edge a little bit. So you probably want to watch that if you're getting one of these on your own. But all things considered, we're pretty impressed by just the way it looks at the beginning, and I look forward to getting it installed.